Welcome back, students. Today we are learning exercise 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 and 2.7. Okay, let's start our classes. Your first question is find the following. यहाँ हमें 6 क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have to divide 12 from 3 by 4. This is very simple questions. Firstly, we have to write both numbers in a fraction. Okay. So we can write 12 is equal to 12 upon 1. This is divide and 3 by 4. Again, this become a multiply and second fraction will be reciprocal when we have to divide two rational numbers. Okay. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. This is our answer. Okay. This is our answer. Same as question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, 5 and 6. In question 5 and 6, here we have to give a mixed fraction. So firstly we have to change this into a simple fraction. Now we can write 3 4 by 7 is equal to 25 upon 7. You know how can we solve it? In this number we have to multiply, इनका multiply करना पड़ता है and after that adding 4. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 whole upon 7. So now this become 25 upon 7. Okay. And next here first number is a simple number, so we have to make 5 is equal to 5 upon 1 and again divide change into multiply and this number become a reciprocals. So now cancel 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So answer is equal to 7 upon 5. Okay. Remaining questions you have to solve in your homework. Next, question number 2 is find the reciprocals of each. Reciprocals means opposite. Suppose this is a number, so reciprocals of x is equal to 1 upon x. Suppose x upon y is a number, so its reciprocal will be y upon x. Okay. Now, second question number 2. Find the reciprocals and classify the reciprocals as proper fractions and improper fractions and write whole numbers. Okay. यहाँ हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि जो दी गई नंबर्स जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं, रेशनल नंबर्स हैं, उनका रेसिप्रोकल करने के बाद जो नंबर्स आएगा वो प्रॉपर है, इम्प्रॉपर है या होल नंबर है. सो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल व्हाट इज़ प्रॉपर एंड व्हाट इज़ इम्प्रॉपर. सपोज हेयर p अपॉन q इज़ अ रेशनल नंबर जिसमें ये नोमिनेटर होता है और ये डिनोमिनेटर होता है. जिन फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, यदि d इज़ ग्रेटर देन n, सो दे आर प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. प्रॉपर. ओके. जिनका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो, फॉर एग्जांपल 2 अपॉन 5, this is proper. Okay. And opposite we can say that if n is greater than d, so this is improper. For example 6 upon 2. Okay. Now if suppose this number is 2 upon 6 but this is divisible by 2, so this is whole number. Okay. So we can say that if denominator is greater than numerator, so fraction become proper. If numerator is greater than denominator, then fraction become improper. And find only a simple number, so this is whole number. Okay. Now we are seeing that first questions. In a first question, this is a rational number and its reciprocal be 7 upon 3. Here n is equal to 7 and d is equal to 3. Here n is greater than d, so it is improper. Okay. Now you have to solve all questions in your homework. Okay. Question number 3, same as question number 1. Here I solve only one question and remaining question you have to solve in your homework. Okay. Here first question is 7 upon 3 divide 2. Firstly we make both number are rational numbers. So this is also 2 by 1. Again we can change multiply divide into change into divide is change into multiply, and second number change its reciprocal. So we can multiply the both number. So 7 into 1 is equal to 7 and 3 2 is 6. So 7 upon 6. When we divide 6 to 7, then we get 1 and 1 by 6. Okay, this is mixed fraction. So this is our answer. And same as question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 4, 5 and 6, firstly we have to change the mixed fraction into simple fraction. So this change in 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, and divide change into, and 4 reciprocals of 4 is equal to 1 upon 4. Now this becomes 7 upon 8. Okay, so this is our answer, 7 upon 8. All questions, remaining questions you have to solve in your homework. Question number 4, same as question number 3. In this question we are also divide two fractions. Okay, so this is your homework again. Now question number 5. There is no question 5. Now new exercise 2.5. Here find which is greater, this or this. Here two numbers are given. First question and similar to all questions, same as all questions are simple. I solve of first questions. Okay, here first question is which is greater, 0.5 or 0.5. Second question 0.7 and 0.5. Here 7 or 0.7. Again 1.37 and so on. Okay, now we are solving second questions. So second question is find the greater. Here two numbers are given, this and this. Firstly we are comparing first number 7.0 and 0.5. Here first number 0 and here first number 0. So this is equal. Again we are matching second number. So here second number given number is 7 and here given numbers be 5. So 7 is greater than 5. So we can say easily 0.7 is greater than 0.5. So 0.7 is greater. Okay. Now remaining questions you have to solve in your homework. यहाँ हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले एक एक डिजिट को मिलाते जाते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन हेयर first number 2 and here also 2, so same. Now second question, second point, here is 0 and here is 3, so 3 is greater than. जैसे ही हमें किसी भी स्टेप पर ग्रेटर नंबर फाइंड हो जाता है तो बस हम वहीं रुक जाते हैं और इजीली हम कह सकते हैं कि 0.23 इज़ लेस देन 2.30. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ग्रेटर नंबर. Now question number 2 is express the rupees into decimals. Now this is very simple questions. Here we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. नाउ 1 पैसे इक्वल टू 1/100। जब हम पैसे को रुपए में चेंज करेंगे तो 100 पैसे इक्वल टू 1 रुपीज़ होता है। और जब पैसे को रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, जब रुपीज़ को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो वी नो डैट, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि 100 पैसे, जैसे 100 पैसे होते हैं तो वो 1 रुपये बन जाते हैं, ठीक है। और 1 पैसे की वैल्यू पूछें तो वो हो जाती है 1/100 के इक्वल। ओके, नाउ सॉल्व फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 7 पैसे। हेयर वी नो डैट 1 पैसा इज इक्वल टू 1/100। नाउ 7 पैसा means multiply by 7 here. So again we are also multiply there. So we get 7/100 and solve. So we get 0.07. Okay, this is convert into rupees. 7 paise convert into rupees. I think you got this. Next question number 2 here, 7 rupees and 7 paise. So we can write 7 is equal to 7 and 7 paise is equal to 7/100. Now we solve. This becomes 0.07 and adding 7, so we got 7.07. Okay. Now question number 3, same as question number 2, and again 50 paise. So we can write 50 is equal to 50 into 1/100. Now this is change and 5 1 5, 5 2 10. So this is become 1/2 and 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Okay, same as question number 5 here, 235 paise. So easily we are multiply 235 to 100. So we can write easily 235. This is our answer. Okay, this is our answer, which is change into rupees. Now question number 3, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Okay, so हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर. Now 1 meter is equal to 1/100 meter. Okay, here we have to give 5 centimeter. Easily हम जानते हैं कि 1 सेंटीमीटर is equal to 1/100 meter. Now here give 5 centimeter means 1 into 5. So this is become 5 centimeter, and here we are also multiply by 5. So we got 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 20 means 1/20, and 1/20 is equal to 20 divided by 1. Put point here 0, again put 0 again, and 25 is 100. So now this is our answer. 0.5 is our answer, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, now change into kilometer. So we note that, हम जानते हैं, या फिर आप लोग नोट करें इन पॉइंट्स को, इन फॉर्मूलों को फेयर में अलग से, कि 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोमीटर. हेयर वी हैव 1 मीटर, एंड नाउ 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1/1000 किलोमीटर. ओके, हेयर मीटर इज इक्वल टू 0.05. सो we have to multiply 1 by 1000 into 0.05. Okay, here point hata, point become 1 and left 2 digits, so put 2 zeros. Now we are again multiplying this number, 1/1000 into 5 and into 00. Now this become 5 and count 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. After that put a decimal, okay, point, and this is our answer in kilometer. Okay, so this is our answer. Now question number 2, same as question number 1. In this question we are also change into centimeter, meter and kilometer. So this is question number 2 is your homework. Okay, if you have any doubts, so watch this solution. Now I want to say some chart to place value, for place value. Okay, here suppose this is the number and जो 3 है जो रेड कलर से है वो किस प्लेस पर है, इसमें वंस प्लेस पर, एंड जब 1 प्लेस पर है तो उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ओनली 1 से. नाउ हेयर अगेन इन दिस इक्वेशन 1 इज द प्लेस ऑफ 10th. So we can write 1 into 1.10. So this becomes 0.1. Okay. Again here now third, here 4 is the place of hundreds. So we are divide by 100 to the digit. And here 5 is the place of 1000. So we are divide 1000 from the to the digit. Okay, and we are when we divide, so we got 0.005. Okay, now again suppose there is no point and suppose this is a number 1 2 3 4. here रेड प्लेस, जो रेड कलर का नंबर से 4 वो किस प्लेस पर है, 1 पर है. सो इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किस में करेंगे अपन, 4 से. अगेन हेयर 3 किस प्लेस पर है, 10 पर. सो इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 से. ये 10 वो 10th था, टी चुड़ जाता है पॉइंट के. अगर राइट में जाते हैं अपन पॉइंट से और राइट में डिजिट दिए, सपोज अभी मैं नीचे क्लियर आउट करूँगा. एंड इन दिस इक्वेशन 2 इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ 100. सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. एंड हेयर 1 इज प्लेस ऑफ 1000. सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 to that number. Here 9 is the place of 10,000. So we are multiply 9 into 10,000. Okay, clear? And again a one chart is also here. 4826. यहाँ 4 किस प्लेस पर है, we are clearly see that 4 is the place of 1000 unit, sorry, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 4 is the place of 1000, means 4000. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Again 8 is the place of 100. So this become 800. 2 is the place of tens. So 20 and same is 1 place. So it's clear 6. Okay. Now we are solving question number 4. Question number 4 is change into kg. We know that हम जानते हैं कि 1000 kg 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 kg. 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 kg एंड 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1/1000 kg. अब जितने ग्राम दिए हैं उनका इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सपोज 200 ग्राम 200 ग्राम. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 200 एंड हेयर ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 200. 20 से 20 कैंसिल, रिमेनिंग 2/10 या 2/0.2. This is our answer. Okay, so we are say that 200 gram is equal to 0.02 gram. Okay, all questions as same as question number 1. So question 2, 3 is your homework. Okay, now question number 5 is write the decimal numbers in expand form. So this is also clear. Here question number first is 20.03. So here 2 is the place of tens. So multiply 2 into 10. 0 is the place of ones. So 1 into multiply 0. And this is 10th place. So multiply by 1/10. And 3 is the place of 100. So multiply by 3/100. This is expand form. Okay, I think you can solve question number part 2 and part 3 and part 4. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4 is your homework. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन द फॉलोइंग डेसिमल. इन सभी डेसिमल से हमें अब 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है. Here 2 is in first question 2 is the place of ones, here 2 is the place of tens, here 2 is the place of tenth. ठीक है. Here 2 is the place of hundreds and here 2 is the place of thousands. It is simple question. Okay, you are solve easily. Now question number 6. Now question number 7. Here Dinesh went to a place. Suppose यहाँ पर दो बच्चे खड़े हुए हैं, एक दिनेश है और दिनेश है, एक दिनेश खड़ा हुआ है एंड सेकंड आयुब है. ओके, दो बच्चे खड़े हुए हैं. दिनेश सबसे पहले ए से बी गया एंड फ्रॉम टू प्लेस सी. ए बी की डिस्टेंस 7.5 है एंड बी सी की डिस्टेंस 12.7 है. ओके, मीन्स जो दिनेश है वो कितना चला, वो टोटल उसने अपनी डिस्टेंस कवर की 7.5 एंड 12.7. एंड जो आयुब है वो इस वाले रूट से चला ऐसे करके. सो आयुब ने कवर की, आयुब ने 9.3 एंड आयुब ने कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर की 9.3 प्लस 11.8. So firstly we are adding total distance covered by Dinesh is equal to 7.5 plus 12.7 is equal to 20.2 and total distance covered by Ayub 9.3 and 11.8 is equal to 21/21.1. यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि 21.1 is greater than 20.2. Okay, so we can easily say that Ayub covered more distance. And how? So we are subtracting 21.1 to 20.2. So we got 0.9 kilometer या 900 meter. Okay, this is our answer. Question number 8 is simple. Shama bought 5 kg apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. And Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram orange and 150 grams banana. Who bought more fruits? Okay, so in this question you have to add both number. Firstly this and this, and again this and this. Okay, this is first answer, this is second answer. So who got more quantity? So we can easily say that this is 8.550 and this is 8 kg 950. So this is greater. Okay, so we can easily say that Sarla bought more fruit. Now question number 9. How much less 28 kilometer than 42 kilometer 42.6. So in this case सीधे इसमें हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है बड़ी डिजिट से छोटे डिजिट को. 28.0. जिस डिजिट में कोई वैल्यू नहीं, जिस जगह पर कोई डिजिट ना हो तो वहाँ 0 पुट कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम 6 कैरी 1 8 9 10 11 12 means 14 again 3 subtract 2 is equal to 1. So 14.6, this is distance. Okay, it is our answer. Means we can say that 14.6 is less kilometer 28 than this. Okay, exercise 2.6 is so easy exercise. Question number 1, question number 3 and question number 5 has a same questions. In this question we have to solve only we have to do only multiply. So firstly I am solving one question from first questions. Okay, this is very simple questions. In this question number 1, 0.2 multiply by 6. So सबसे पहले we are multiply without digit. 6 2 जा 12. Now we count the digit here point is before one digit, so we left one digit from left and putting the point here. So 1.2 is our answer. Okay, same as question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हमें बिना पॉइंट देखे फर्स्टली डिजिट्स का मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आफ्टर दैट काउंटिंग द डिजिट्स एंड पुट द डेसिमल्स. ओके, this is our second question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay, now question number 2 is find the area of rectangle. We know that area is equal to length into breadth. Here length is equal to 5.7 and breadth is equal to 3. We have to multiply 57 into 3, so we got 171. Okay, now we count the digit. So here only one digit after the decimal, so we have to count from right side and put the decimal, put the point after one digit. So this is our answer. Okay, so we can say easily this is the area of rectangle. Now question number 3 is same as question number 1. We have to only multiply. Okay, question number 3 as same as question number 1. Question number 5, question number 4 is a word problem. In this questions, two-wheeler covers 555.3 किलोमीटर in 1 लीटर of पेट्रोल. 1 लीटर में कितनी गाड़ी चलती है? 55.3. तो 10 लीटर में कितनी चलेगी? सो इजीली मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वी आर व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 5.3 into 10, so we got 553 point इतने किलोमीटर. So simple, so we can see that 553 kilometer distance covered by it in 10 liter petrol. Okay, and now question number 5, this is similar, same as question number 1 and 3. We can do only multiply. Okay, this is your homework. Now exercise 2.7. Here in this exercise we have to learn divide, how to divide. Divide is also simple. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same questions. All questions we have to divide. Okay, firstly we are solving questions number 1. Here question number 1 is 0.4 divided by 2. So we are easily write this 0.4, 2 is equal to 2 by 1, and again divide change into multiply. So this number will be reciprocals. Okay, means पलट जाएगा. And again 0.4 is equal to 4.4 upon 10, because एक पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट है. So we are write easily 4 upon 10. Okay, and multiply by 1 by 2 and solve it. We are easily write this when we multiply 4 upon 10, when we multiply, solve this equation. 4 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 2, 4 by 20, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So we got answer is equal to 1 by 5, and when 1 by 5 and we divide this, so we got 0.2. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you understood these questions. And again once more questions we have to take. Here 30.35 divided by 5. Okay, firstly we have to write 5 as a 5 upon 1, and 35 change is equal to 35 upon 100. Now divide change into multiply. So we can write easily 35 into 5, 1 upon 5, and we are cancelled 5 1 जा 5, 5 7 जा, so 7 upon 100, and इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 0.07. So this is our answer. Okay. Now remaining questions you have to solve in your homework. Now 309494 divide 7. Yes, this is 39.4 upon 100. Okay, and this become 7 upon 100. Okay, now changing divide into multiply. So this number become a reciprocal, so this is 10/7. 0 से 0 cancels, and we got 3094 upon 70 and cancel this number, so we got easily 44.2. This is our answer. Okay. आप किसी भी मेथड से इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, या तो डायरेक्ट करें, अदरवाइज स्टेप बाय स्टेप भी कर सकते हैं. इस एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चंस सेम एज क्वेश्चन बिफोर क्वेश्चंस. हियर वन व्हीकल कवर 43.2 किलोमीटर इन 4.2 लीटर, यानी कि 2.4 लीटर में गाड़ी कितनी कवर करती है 43.2. Okay, so we can write distance cover 2.4 liter petrol is 43.2. Now 1 liter, so this goes to divide from this, so we can write easily 43.2 upon 2.4, and when we solve this, so we got easily 18 kilometer. So we can say easily the distance will be covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 18 kilometer. Answer. Okay, so this chapters is finished. You have to solve your fair copies, and after that revise. Okay, thanks.